Hello, this is your girl Physiology, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a men's turtleneck knitted sweater. So this is going to be more of a realistic approach, and I'm going to make this turtleneck as realistic as possible. But this is what the turtleneck looks like, and it comes with a chain as well. I will be getting rid of the chain because I don't really care for the chain. So as you know how to get rid of things, all you're doing is click use blending, and you're going to make this opacity map black. There. So we got rid of the chain that's not needed. So it looks like a simple turtleneck. All right, so where I get the textures for the turtleneck, Google. Google is your best friend. Type in knitted textures or knitted texture background, and the textures will come up. You might get some that you like and some that you don't like. At this point, I'm going to download a bunch of them, and I'm just going to go through them to see what I like and what fits and what doesn't fit. But let's see who I derived from first. So the person I derived from is called AZ3D, and the textures are right below. So it's 5 textures, but if you're counting the chain, that'll be 6 textures you have to download. And it also comes with a UV map below. And the product ID number is below as well. You can click derive from product, which is much easier. All right, let's go. So I'm in Gimp, and I downloaded all the textures and uploaded them here. So this is what it looks like. This is the front, the back, the sleeves, and it goes in order, so it'll be easy to input this in VU. Alright, so now I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the hue. And I'm just going to change it to gray. Filters, repeat hue. Filters, repeat. Filters, repeat, and filters, repeat. Now this is going to be a quick tutorial. It's very simple, depending on what type of textures you picked out. If I decide that I don't like the texture, I always decide to go back and redo or undo anything and then start fresh. So that's exactly what I'm going to do if I don't like it. File, open as layer, textures and logos. I have a bunch of different wools here and just different textures. I'm not going to go for the camo because it's not going to show as much. And go for something different. That's actually a nice design. But I'm going to stick to the knitted textures that I have downloaded. This is a nice texture, and this is a nice texture. I'm gonna go with the stripes. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to scale it. So scale layer, open that up. Because this is thin texture, 300 over 600 is what I do, or 550 is fine as well. We're gonna do 550. It fits perfectly and it still has room. So now I'm going to play with the opacity map. .1 is fine, and you could still see the wrinkles, so it's perfect. And now I'm going to drop it in its place. With this, I will have to rotate. So I have the rotate tool on. I just rotate it, but I make sure it's nice and straight. Rotate. And now I'm going to drop that in its place. And do the same for the turtleneck. Or I might just leave it. You know what, I'm just going to leave it for now. Now I'm going to merge down, layer, merge down, layer, merge down, layer, merge down. And I'm going to sharpen all these. Enhance, sharpen. Okay. Filters, repeat, sharpen. Filters, repeat, sharpen. Filters, repeat, sharpen. And now I'm going to overwrite. Export. Overwrite. Export. Overwrite. Export. Export. And then I'm just going to save this color for now. There. Alright, so now we're going to go in VU to see what this looks like. Okay, we're in VU. Scroll up, and now I'm about to replace the texture. First one. The second one. Okay, I'm going to apply changes. Wow. So it gives you a realistic knit feel, and it just looks real. And it came out perfectly, actually. I actually love how it came out. It came out really good. So this is how it's supposed to look. The texture, as you can see, is supposed to look like this. And I actually really love how it came out. But yeah, it's pretty simple. You go into Google, you look up knitted textures, and you find ones that look realistic and close to what you're looking for, and it will come out exactly like this or better, depending on what texture you pick. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content, and have a nice day.